Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to talk about how to create this curved ceiling. Okay, so you can first drag a rectangle or square for a square. Okay, simply adjust it. Okay, then go inside. Okay, hide all the cornice and skirting. Okay, so we're gonna use this customize ceiling function to create that. Okay, first double click on the ceiling. Okay, go inside the function, then click on it, click on this one, rectangle. Okay, you can draw a rectangle first. Okay, then you just add another circle or another circle. Okay, add here another circle. So select this one and control select this one, select both, right click, use this function blend. Okay, so the first one I match it, so you got a curve like this, got a curve like this. Then now we're going to curve here. Okay, so simple, follow back that method, click here, circle. Okay, another circle. Okay, so this one control select this one and this one, better select this one first, control select this one. Okay, so you will cover here, right click, blend, then this one, take the different, so you may see curve like this. So if you want it, then click, then exclude it. This one I put 10, so you can see the pattern 10. Okay, see the pattern. Okay, so you can click here, and if you want lighting, you can just add lighting. Okay, add lighting. Okay, add lighting. So it shall be something like this. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.